So now I'll come on the topic of positive things which comes along with the unplanned pregnancy. So there are a lot of positive side to it. So let me talk about it now.
If you're new to our channel, then subscribe karna mat bhulega and do hit the bell button. Whenever I'll upload a video, you'll get notified about it. Welcome to Childcare and Pregnancy.
So first positive thing which comes along uh, with unplanned pregnancy is you will learn a lot of things and you will grow as a person. So how this happens, so I'll tell you about it. So guys, the whole 9 months is a learning thing for you. You learn a lot of things and you plan your future in a way more secure way. Now because you have conceived and your priority changes after you conceive and your baby becomes your utmost priority, and it should be that way only. So you plan your future in a more safer and secure way, so that makes you grow as a person and that makes you very stronger. You plan for the pregnancy. Sometimes you might take it for granted that it's okay, everything will be fine, but in case of unplanned, the sudden changes which starts happening makes you a bit scared, and you start to plan in a more secure way. I hope you understand what I'm trying to tell. So yeah, you become more aware of a situation that things can go wrong, so you plan your future accordingly. So you bring a lot of clarity in your life, whether what you have to do now, and how you have to process things, and what will work for you and what will not work for you, whether it can be moving to one place to another, or your partner can switch jobs. Both the partners will get more clarity to their life, and before they were not knowing about what all things they have to plan for their future, but after they conceive they know that they have to plan everything in a secure way, safe and secure way, and you guys will keep your baby in the highest priority in your life, and you'll get a clearer picture of the future. So yeah, more clarity will come, and this whole experience will make you grow as a person. So guys, the whole process of pregnancy will make you very strong, and it will make you grow as a person, and you will learn a lot of things in the entire journey of pregnancy. So that was my first point, which I feel is a positive thing of in case of an unplanned pregnancy. So second positive side of unplanned pregnancy is you can never be alone, and this is my favorite part, guys. Yes, you can never be alone, and you will never feel lonely, because your baby, your bundle of joy, is always there to cheer you up. There will be times where you'll feel exhausted, where irritated, in the state of anger. So a lot of times you'll feel that things are not working for you, but then your little one is always there with you to cheer you up. And yeah, you can never be alone in your life anymore after you deliver the baby, and you'll be into your baby so much that you will not focus on the negative things which happens in your life. With your baby by your side, you will always be motivated, and you'll always feel like doing right things for you. And there will be times where you'll feel that things are not working out for you, or there will be situations in your life where you'll see a lot of negativity, but then your baby will cheer you up, and he will motivate you guys to do the right things and to eliminate negativity from your life. They will really help you. So this is the most positive side of an unplanned pregnancy. I was not knowing about it, and trust me, it has acted as a blessing to me, and I'm really grateful that Vivan is there with me, and he's always there by my side to cheer me up, because that I have faced a lot of situation in my life where I felt hopeless and helpless, but I quickly get motivated because I have Vivan. Vivan is there because I don't have any other choice, right? I am not allowed to be in that state anymore, because I have a baby, I have a responsibility. So I have to work things for myself and for him simultaneously. And yeah, I have to keep my mind motivated. Obviously, not all the time you'll be motivated. At times you'll feel demotivated, but your family will be there to cheer you up. And yeah, I will just say that it is a blessing, guys. And yeah, this was the best part which I felt after the delivery. This was the best thing which I experienced. And yeah, I was never alone after I deliver. And after Vivan has come into my life, I've never been alone, and I've never been demotivated for a longer period. Of course, I faced a lot of ups and downs in my life, but yeah, Vivan let me get through it. And at the end of the day, I'm happy. I'm quite happy. I'm quite sorted. I am stronger than before. I feel really motivated towards my life, towards my career, and I love what I do. And yeah, after Vivan only this has happened. So last positive thing about unplanned pregnancy is it will be worth it, guys. Yes, everything, your pain, your suffering, your physical pain, your emotional pain, everything will be worth it after you see your baby. Yes, whatever you go through, but after you deliver, when you see your baby in this world, and yeah, it will be all worth it. The motherhood is a magical experience. It is a great experience, and it has changed my life into so much better, and I have improved as an individual, and I am more stronger than before. I feel inspired in a lot of way. I have learned a lot of things, and yeah, this has made me a better person. So yeah, guys, motherhood is a great experience, and I am grateful for it that I get to experience this in my life. So it was worth it, guys. My all pain, my sufferings, everything was worth it when Vivan came into my life. And till date, I'm really grateful, and I will be grateful for becoming a mother. Planned or unplanned, trust me, guys, becoming a mother is a blessing, and it has changed my life into so much better. I can't put it in words right now, but yeah, you can feel my emotions. So guys, if you'll ask me, my conclusion to this is that plan everything and then go for it, because if you'll plan your pregnancy, then you will be more sorted as a couple, and create a bond first after marriage. When you both will get along with each other properly, then you can easily bring a baby into this world, and the entire process of pregnancy, parenting becomes really easy for you. So plan everything and then go for it. So after my personal experience, I'm telling you about it, that your career will be sorted, your financial you'll be financially stable after you bring your little one into your life. So yeah, it is always a good option to plan before and then go for it. So ladies, avoid unplanned pregnancy, because before you can avoid, and if you know about it, if you are knowledgeable about it, then you can avoid it. It's always said that precaution is better than cure, so take precautions to avoid unplanned pregnancy, because your whole life will change, it will take a U-turn. So it is always better to plan for it. That's about it, guys. I hope you liked the video, and I hope you feel motivated at the end of the video. And in case you liked watching it, do press on the like button, and also if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. My name is Pallavi. This is my baby. His name is Vivan. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. So my baby is of 2.4-year-old, and yeah, he's a blessing in my life right now. This channel is all about child caring, pregnancy and parenting. I talk about these things, so I create videos about it. So if you need content about these topics, then do subscribe to my channel, guys. This channel will be really helpful for you. And also do follow me on my social media handles, Instagram and Facebook. All the links are given down in the description box. Don't forget to follow me up there. I will see you in my next video. Till then, keep watching, keep loving. Bye bye.